Think your mechanic always has your back? Here's the truth. There are some car maintenance tips they really don't want you to know. Why? Because these tips can save you hundreds, maybe thousands, in repairs and keep your car running like new for years. In this video, I'll share 13 surprising secrets that can completely change how you care for your car. Each tip builds on the last, but there's one in particular that left me rethinking everything I thought I knew about car maintenance. It's something most drivers overlook, and it could be the difference between a reliable car and a costly breakdown. Stay with me, because once you hear it, you'll never look at car care the same way again. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1. Reset the maintenance required light yourself. Let's talk about that maintenance required light. It's not as scary as it looks. These reminders pop up at predetermined mileage intervals, often around every 15,000 miles. Car manufacturers love them because they nudge you back into the dealership. But here's the truth. Most of the time, it's just a heads up for an oil change. Stay on top of your regular maintenance, but don't let this light send you into a panic. Instead, look up how to reset it for your specific car model. You'll save a trip to the dealer and keep more cash in your pocket. Similarly, a check engine light doesn't have to mean a trip to the mechanic. With an onboard diagnostics (OBD2) scanner, you can diagnose car issues yourself. These handy tools cost around $30 to $40 and work with any vehicle built since 1996. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port to identify the problem instantly, saving time and avoiding unnecessary repair costs. Whether it's a minor issue or something more serious, an OBD2 scanner puts control back in your hands. Secret number 2. Bleed the brake system during pad replacement. When you're replacing your brake pads, there's one step you don't want to skip: opening the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper. Here's why. Forcing old brake fluid back into the system can damage sensitive parts like the ABS module. Opening the valve lets you avoid that risk. It also helps remove some of the old contaminated fluid at the same time. That's a win for your brakes. Just remember, don't let the master cylinder run dry while you're at it. Secret number 3. Don't waste your money on additives. Additives might sound like the magic potion your car never knew it needed, but let's set the record straight. For most gasoline engines, U.S. fuel already comes preloaded with all the additives, and modern engine oils are packed with high-tech chemicals straight from the factory. Save your money and stick to regular oil changes. But here's the twist. Not all additives are a waste of money. For diesel engines, they're not just helpful, they're essential. Diesel specialists swear by them to prevent gelling, boost cetane levels, and keep injectors clean. This is especially true in cold weather. For gas engines, it's a bit different. Additives like Tecron or Seafoam can make a real difference for older vehicles, or if you're stuck using low-quality fuel. So, while most cars can skip the magic potion hype, there are some exceptions. Diesel owners and drivers of older cars, you might actually benefit. It's all about knowing what your car really needs. Secret number 4. Check the coolant level. If your heater blows cold air or just feels lukewarm, it's usually because the coolant is low. When there's not enough coolant, the heater core produces air instead of hot water, and that air won't heat your car. So, if your heater isn't doing its job this winter, check the coolant level. Top it off if needed, and you might just fix the issue right there. It's a simple trick that's helped many drivers stay warm on chilly mornings. Secret number 5. Car batteries lose life just sitting on the shelf. Car batteries don't last forever, even unused ones. Once they're filled with acid at the factory, the clock starts ticking. Before you buy, always check the manufacturing date. A good rule of thumb: pick one less than a month old for the best performance. Skip big box stores where batteries might sit on shelves for ages. Instead, buy from a reputable dealer who moves inventory quickly. And here's a pro tip. Charge your new battery for 1 to 2 hours before installing it. This wakes it up and ensures it's ready to go. Finally, keep those terminals clean to maintain a solid connection. Secret number 6. Squeeze more performance from your spark plugs. Spark plugs are small but essential for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine. They're directly responsible for combustion, which powers your car. Modern plugs, like iridium, can last up to 100,000 miles, but don't wait for that milestone. Inspect them regularly. Here's how. Remove a plug and check for signs of trouble, like a worn electrode or heavy carbon buildup. These can cause misfires, poor acceleration, or reduced fuel efficiency. If your engine feels sluggish or struggles to start, it's a sign they may need replacing. Always use the type specified in your owner's manual. Fresh spark plugs ensure efficient combustion, better mileage, smoother starts, and reduce the risk of engine damage down the line. Secret number 7. Stop overfilling the gas tank. When you're at the pump, squeezing that handle just a bit longer to get every last drop in can be tempting. However, overfilling can lead to fuel spills and damage your car's vapor recovery system. Gasoline vapors are harmful to the environment and can escape if you overfill, which is wasteful and potentially damaging to your vehicle. To avoid this, simply stop filling when the nozzle clicks off automatically. That's your sign the tank is full. Secret number 8. Replace your air filters regularly. A clogged air filter doesn't just sit there. It holds your engine back, hurting performance and wasting fuel. Checking it is quick and easy. Pop the hood, locate the air filter box, open it, and take a look. If the filter looks dirty or clogged, swap it out for a fresh one. Replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles for most driving conditions. But if you're often on dusty roads or in polluted areas, check it more often. Secret number 9. Check your PCV valve. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve is small but vital. It regulates harmful gases and prevents pressure buildup in your engine. If it clogs or fails, it can cause rough idling, increased oil consumption, or even engine sludge. Here's a simple hack. Check your PCV valve every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. If it's clogged, replacing it is simple and affordable, usually $20 to $40 for the part. Not sure how to inspect the PCV valve? Remove the valve and give it a shake. A healthy valve will rattle. Then try the airflow test. Blow air through it. It should only flow in one direction. If it flows both ways, the valve is faulty and needs replacing. Secret number 10. Change engine oil and transmission fluid on time. If you're racking up serious miles every day, your car needs extra care. For engine oil, stick to synthetic. It's durable and handles the workload better. Change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on how you drive. If most of your miles are highway miles, you might stretch it closer to 7,500 miles. Now for transmission fluid, it's all about staying ahead of wear and tear. Most manufacturers recommend changing it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, but if you're in stop-and-go traffic or driving heavy loads, consider doing it sooner. Check your owner's manual for exact numbers. Regular changes keep your car shifting smoothly and running strong. Secret number 11. Keep your tires at the right pressure. Tire pressure isn't just a minor detail. It's crucial for safety, performance, and fuel savings. Most cars require between 28 and 36 psi, but guessing isn't good enough. Check your owner's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door for the exact number. Using a tire gauge monthly to check each tire, including the spare, is a smart habit. Did you know tires lose about 1 psi per month? That small drop won't trigger your warning light until it's too low. Underinflated tires waste fuel, wear out faster, and can even lead to blowouts. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, lose grip and wear unevenly. Invest in tools like the TireTech tire pressure gauge or the ASAI tire inflator to make maintenance simple. Want your tires to last longer? Rotate them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Secret number 12. Don't overlook brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid doesn't get much attention, but it should. Ensure it's at the right level and swap it out every 2 to 3 years. Over time, brake fluid attracts moisture, which can cause corrosion and make your brakes less effective. A quick check now can save you a lot of trouble and money later. Secret number 13. Check your belts and hoses for wear and tear. Serpentine belts are easy to find. They're usually right at the front of your engine. Hoses run throughout the engine bay, carrying coolant, oil, and other vital fluids. Here's the simple routine. Take a quick look every month or so. Check belts for cracks, fraying, or shiny spots. These are signs they're worn out. For hoses, look for bulges, cracks, or leaks. Run your hand along them when the engine is cool to feel for soft spots or damage. If you notice any issues, don't wait. Replacing a bad belt or hose now can save you from costly engine repairs later. Those are the essential car maintenance tips every owner should know. Following these practices isn't just good advice. It's the best way to keep your car running longer and avoid costly repairs. But there's more to learn. Check out my next video, 9 horrible driving habits that ruin your engine. Trust me, these are habits you don't want to get wrong.